Another day, another Mummy session, people. So we had a pretty crazy run over here. So we were winning big on that machine, and we were winning kind of big on this one too. But it is May 18th, EDC weekend. We're out here at the beautiful Win, as you can see. And we're gonna try our hand at some more magnificence. I thought it went off for a sec. Do it. So we had some crazy like last spin bonus, like with our last dollar on the other machines. I kind of want to play the machine next to me, my wifey is playing on, but let's see this. Bam. I'm surprised when I'm not getting a bonus right now. So just slapping that button help like that person is over there? Come on. Let's bounce around a little bit. So 5 cents, 2.50. Do it. Oh. Okay. Damn. Nope. Like to see another rumble. On the other machine, it was so... Oh, one of each. None of them. On the other machine, we saw like 4 rumbles. He just kept running across the screen, but he never gave us a cash collect, which was kind of sad. Free games has increased. Got our 250 back, so change this credit thing. Ooh, we missed all those eyes. Let's go back to 1 cent. Was that the luckiest one? 1 cent was the luckiest one. You know, it has the smallest progressives, but just getting a bonus is fun, right? Nothing yet. Okay, all of them are pretty plump and juicy up there. Come on. Keep it going. Oh. Nope. Don't hold your breath. Oh, it was right there. It just like bounced down too. Yeah. Should I move to that machine? I wanted to play that machine. You would. Nothing happening anymore. Wife is sitting on the hot machine. Okay, I think I need to come to that machine. Should I do it? I should switch. All right, so I'm gonna switch this machine. Look at the numbers that she's getting over here on the small bet. I'm gonna go to that machine. Okay, friends, we were Mummy, obviously. We were right here, and then we saw wifey hit, like, she didn't hit it, but like that number was showing up on that bet, 75 cents. All that money, so we're like, okay, let's do a little switcheroo and come back to this hot machine. Let's see if it actually is hot. Who knows? It could be trying to trick us. We know this game is very tricky. Okay. One of you go off. So she was doing it on 75 cents. I wonder if we should go to 75 cents as well. This is the machine we had like the 4 or 5 re-triggers, and we want to see some more of that now. What do you mean? Huh. Mr. like to see some kind of rumble feature. Bam. Oh, goes up there again. Same thing as peeking down. Do it. Nope. Let's go back to this lucky 2 cents. Try a couple here. Maybe 75 cents is just, maybe wifey 75 cents is just the right play. Should we go back there? Let's go try the 75 cents. Let's try that one. Wifey's laughing. Mr. Mummy's up there. 75 cents. It's a fun, modest bet. Okay. Is it gonna work instantly? No, because it keeps bouncing down from up there. We don't want free spins anyway. We want cash collects. Like now. That $75 one was on this. No. Let's see it. Let's see it. Where's the rumble? She's running away with our money. Give it back. Give it back. Three fast spins. Did that work? No, it didn't. 3 more. Nope. Okay. Okay. We're not seeing those big numbers anymore, wifey. Yeah, it might be. Yeah, that might be the case. She just got a new player's card. That might be it. Oh, that's not the right one. Do it. Come on. It's kind of fun to bet 75 cents. Those are all big now. No rumble, huh? Kitties. I like how he peeks behind the wall. Jackpot. Okay, maybe we should switch it up a little bit. Aces. Okay. Come on, Mr. Mummy. He has walked us. 450 on that one. Good kitty. Free games. It's an interesting sequence. Those 90 cents one. It's you know when it's gonna increase. It just goes slow and it makes that like slow sound. Yeah. Let's see something good here. Nothing good here. So we're on 2 cents now. We'd like to see something come out. We're anticipating it. No. He was up there. That sound he made, he just like pokes out. Ugh. I thought he was gonna do something. Okay. I know, it's like ridiculous. Someone's like fighting the slot machine over there, just like slapping the buttons so hard. It works. It works. Okay, 3 games. None of them are really showing. Alright, what's 5? We were already here. We were already there. Let's do this funny trick. We're gonna do this. Huh? Tricking the machine. Tricking the machine. Nice. Wifey's playing over there. Put her down. Let's trick the machine. 3 kings. Bam. Do it. They're okay numbers. Do it. Where's the rumble? Yeah, that's why I was kind of skeptical. But it's still, if it's showing some big hits like that, there's a chance that it's still in there. A good chance. I don't know. Yeah. That's good.
You're not live streaming, are you?
No, it's recording, yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Really? Yeah, cash collect. I guess streaming is not, yeah. The guy just asked us, are we streaming? I said, nope. No streaming. Oh! Oh. That was the number we were looking for to start this little party off right, but how it goes sometimes. Yeah, streaming, I guess, I don't know why streaming is, there's probably something against the Nevada Gaming Commission and streaming as opposed to, I don't think that. Cash collects finally at like the last phase, I think. Come on, we deserve a rumble. Yeah. It just sucks to not get another one after that. Bam. That's what happens. Maybe we used up all of our luck earlier. So that's the thing. Like, should we leave a hot machine or a perceivably hot machine? Last time we hit it with the last bet possible. So, but that was just a $20 insert. So, let me do it now. Last possible bets. And that is a no. Okay, so that was fun, kind of, you know, but we didn't get any more bonuses after the initial ones, but we tried our hardest, so we'll be back with another one. And thanks for watching. It was pretty epic regardless. Thanks for watching, people.